Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali and till now, to the previous tutorial we have completed the SQL CRUD operations using Microsoft SQL Server. So we have completed the create, update, delete and insert operations, and we have stored all the data in the database. Now from this tutorial onward we are going to start and learn some new things. So go to the Visual Studio and since we complete the CRUD operations, so if you want you can create a new project and copy paste this dbxs class there also, okay? But I will continue in the same file, the project which we already on which we are already working, okay? So all we're gonna need is to create a new form. So click here and add a new form. But as I told you, if you want you can create a new project. This is up to you, whatever you like. So this will be command build form. Click add and this is our form, and we want to go to the program.cs file. We want our applications to start from the command builder form. Okay, so change this to it, and now let's first add a grid view. Data grid view, drag and drop this here. And let's add a button quickly. Now first of all, what we will be doing is that in this tutorial we will display all the users from our database, and we will display it here on the grid view. And then in the next tutorial we will be talking about the command builder and so on. So let's give it a name, a text, which will be perform operation. And don't worry, I will explain everything once we do it. This is the simple thing, to display the data in a grid view, but I will explain the command builder when we will use it in the next tutorial. Let's give it a name as perform operation btn. Also let's change this to bold 14. So this is our data grid view, and the name of it, this is data grid view 1. Okay, so what we want is that whenever the form loads, we want to fetch the data from the database, and we want to display it here. And let's double click on the form, and it will open this command builder form load event handler. So all we're gonna need is first to write a query for fetching data from the database. So we can say select all from users, which is our table name in the database. If I show you, then here you can see this, okay, users. Then we need to add an object of our dbxs class, which is this one. And yeah, first let's add that, then I can explain further. So here we can, by using this object dbxs, we can read data through adapter, which is a function on the a function in the dbxs class, which we already used in the previous video tutorials. If I show you, then this is the function which will receive a query, a string, okay, string type variable query, which basically our query to the database and a data table. So yeah, let's do this. First one is query, comma, and now first let's add a data table. So we can give it a name as dd users equals to new data table. And now come here, and here we can pass that to it. So as you know that, which I already told you, it will fill the data after, if the connection is successful and if this query is executed successfully, which is select all from users. So it will fetch all the data from the database, and it will fill it inside this table, okay, which we send from here as a parameter, which is dt users, and here it receives this as a parameter by the name tbl name. So yeah, so it will be stored here, and next thing is to display it on our data grid view. So we can say data grid view 1 dot data source equals to dt users, the data table which is filled, and then we want to close the connection. So we can say db object db axis, and we have a function on our db axis class by the name close connection. So let's run the app to see if it is working or not. So here we go. Here you can see this, it is working fine. I mean, it fetch all the records from the database. If I show you, then here you can see this, all the records it is displaying here on the grid view. Now this is it for this video, and now in the next video tutorial, by using the command builder, we will perform some operations, and I will also explain what command builder will do. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.